The free conductor length requirement of 6 inches is measured from the back of the junction box per National Electrical Code, or NEC 314.16a. A 3-inch requirement from the front of the box applies to the length of conductors that extend beyond the box, not to the total free conductor length. For a 3-inch deep junction box, the following wire lengths are available for making connections. Firstly, free conductors from the back of the box is 6 inches. Secondly, conductors extending beyond the box is 3 inches, and this is not included in the free conductor requirement. The large amount of wire required to meet the 6-inch free conductor length can lead to box fill concerns, especially in smaller junction boxes. NEC 314.16b prohibits boxes from being filled to more than 80% of their cubic inch capacity. Underwriters' Laboratories, or 514b, also limits box fill to 80% for boxes with more than 4 conductors. To address box fill concerns, consider the following options. Firstly, use larger junction boxes such as 4-inch or 6-inch deep boxes, as they provide more space for conductors. Secondly, create a separate wireway by pulling the excess wire into a wireway or conduit attached to the junction box. Thirdly, use junction boxes with built-in wireways, as these boxes have compartments or channels that allow wires to be organized and stored more efficiently. Fourthly, use smaller wires such as American wire gauge or AUG #12 or #14 conductors, which have a smaller diameter and can take up less space in the box. And fifthly, be more strategic with conductor lengths by planning ahead and trying to minimize the amount of excess wire that is left in the box. While it is important to meet the free conductor length requirement, it is equally important to ensure that the junction box is not overloaded. Overfilling a junction box can lead to safety hazards, including conductor damage, because excess wires can become pinched, cut, or damaged, leading to electrical hazards. Overfilling can also lead to heat buildup, as overcrowded boxes can trap heat and increase the risk of overheating and fire. Finally, overfilling can cause obstructed access because too much wire can make it difficult to access terminals and make connections. While the 6-inch free conductor requirement is important for electrical safety, it can present challenges in terms of box fill. By carefully considering the options outlined above, it is possible to address box fill concerns while maintaining compliance with the electrical codes.